Just like the word the French word for my has 3 different versions too. We've already learnt mon and ma. We said that mon is the masculine singular word for my, and ma is the feminine singular word for my. Well, we've also got me, which means my in the plural, me. So me is the plural my. How would you say then in French, my carrots are delicious? Mes carottes sont délicieuses. Mes carottes sont délicieuses. How would you say, my leeks are delicious? Mes poireaux sont délicieux. Mes poireaux sont délicieux. Now, we've had a lot of information about singular, plural, masculine, feminine, and different adjectives and nouns. So let's do a quick test just to see how we're getting on learning it all. I'm going to give you 8 sentences, and what I'd like to do is to translate them all into French, but they're all going to be very similar sentences, just with tiny differences in the adjective. So your sentences are, my chicken is good, my turkey is good, my leeks are good, my carrots are good, the chicken here is good, the turkey here is good, the leeks here are good, and the carrots here are good. So pause this lesson, see if you can write down the French for those 8 little sentences, and then press play to see if you got them right. So, my chicken is good. Well, chicken is a masculine singular noun, so you should say mon poulet est bon. Mon poulet est bon, with the masculine singular version of good, B-O-N, bon. My turkey is good. Well, turkey is a feminine singular noun, so we say ma dinde est bonne. Ma dinde est bonne. So that's the feminine singular version of the word good, bonne, E-O-N-N-E. My leeks are good. Well, we have a masculine plural noun. So we say mes poireaux sont bons. Mes poireaux sont bons, using the masculine plural version of the word good, B-O-N-S. My carrots are good. Well, carrots is a feminine plural noun in French, so we say mes carottes sont bonnes. Mes carottes sont bonnes. So we use the feminine plural version of the word good, bonne, B-O-N-N-E-S. The chicken here is good. Le poulet ici est bon. Le poulet ici est bon. So we use the masculine singular version, B-O-N. The turkey here is good. La dinde ici est bonne. La dinde ici est bonne. So we use the feminine singular version of the word good, B-O-N-N-E. The leeks here are good. Les poireaux ici sont bons. Les poireaux ici sont bons. So we use the masculine plural version of the word good, B-O-N-S. Les poireaux ici sont bons. And then the carrots here are good. Les carottes ici sont bonnes. Les carottes ici sont bonnes. So we use the feminine plural version of the word good, B-O-N-N-E-S. Don't lose sleep. This lesson has been full of little grammar rules. They aren't difficult to understand, but there are a lot to remember. However, I always say don't lose sleep. I've introduced these grammatical structures very early on in a course, but I don't expect you to remember them all whenever you speak French. The reason I've introduced them now is because it's best to get them out of the way with early, And then, the more you see them, the more you'll remember them. The most important thing when speaking the foreign language is just making sure you're understood. If ever you miss off a letter or use the wrong version of the, as long as you're speaking and the other person understands what you're saying, it doesn't matter in the slightest. Worrying about these rules will only stop you from wanting to speak, but at the same time, knowing about them will make it easier in the long run. But as I said, don't lose sleep over them. Even the most fluent of speakers makes a slip up with these rules now and again. So just learn them and then focus on the speaking. So in this lesson, we've had la nourriture, which means the food. Et, meaning and. Aussi, which means also. Sont, meaning are. Ne sont pas, which means are not. Les, which is the plural the. Une carotte means a carrot. Un poireau means a leek. Les carottes means the carrots. Les poireaux means the leeks. And mes is the plural word for my. It's time now to practice what we've been learning in this lesson. How do you say in French? The food here is always delicious. La nourriture ici est toujours délicieuse. La nourriture ici est toujours délicieuse. I would like 2 chickens, please. 1 for me and 1 for her. Je voudrais 2 poulets, s'il vous plaît. Un pour moi et un pour elle. Je voudrais 2 poulets, s'il vous plaît. Un pour moi et un pour elle. The carrots are very good. Les carottes sont très bonnes. Les carottes sont très bonnes. I think the food is perfect here. Pour moi, la nourriture est parfaite ici. Pour moi, la nourriture est parfaite ici. The leeks are very good. Les poireaux sont très bons. Les poireaux sont très bons. The food is always terrible. La nourriture est toujours terrible. La nourriture est toujours terrible. The chicken for me and the turkey for her, please. Le poulet pour moi et la dinde pour elle, s'il vous plaît. Le poulet pour moi et la dinde pour elle, s'il vous plaît. The food here is very good. La nourriture ici est très bonne. La nourriture ici est très bonne. The chicken is delicious. Le poulet est délicieux. Le poulet est délicieux. The turkey and the chicken are very good. La dinde et le poulet sont très bons. La dinde et le poulet sont très bons. Now let's do some reverse translations. What do these French sentences mean in English? La nourriture ici est très bonne. La nourriture ici est très bonne. The food here is very good. La dinde est délicieuse. La dinde est délicieuse. The turkey is delicious. Ma nourriture est délicieuse. Ma nourriture est délicieuse. My food is delicious. Les carottes sont terribles. Les carottes sont terribles. The carrots are terrible. Le poulet est délicieux. Le poulet est délicieux. The chicken is delicious. Les poireaux sont très bons. Les poireaux sont très bons. The leeks are very good. Je voudrais 2 thés et 3 cafés. Je voudrais 2 thés et 3 cafés. I would like 2 teas and 3 coffees. Je voudrais un thé pour nuit et un café pour haine. Je voudrais un thé pour nuit et un café pour haine. I would like a tea for him and a coffee for her. Aussi, je voudrais un café s'il vous plaît. Aussi, je voudrais un café s'il vous plaît. Also, I would like a coffee, please. Mes carottes sont parfaites. Mes carottes sont parfaites. My carrots are perfect.